This video, I'm gonna go over a cash secure put that you guys can try today or possibly next week. But before I continue on, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment, educational purposes only. I also just started a Patreon Discord group where I'm trying to find like-minded people like myself who wants to make money in the stock market. We do have a few members in there already who loves to share their knowledge and talk about stocks, options, cryptocurrencies, and just find ways to make money, as well as try to find the next hottest stock. I will also be sharing my trades with you guys as well. If that is something you're interested in, check out my link down below. I know I only have $45,000 in my Robinhood account. I'm just trying to grow this account to $100,000 by the end of this year. So let's see if we can do it. Right now I am up for the year 82%, all-time high is 82% because I just started this account last year. I have about 7,000 buying power, so if you guys have any more suggestions, let me know what I should buy or sell cash secure puts on. So cash secure puts, it's essentially setting a buy limit. So when you set a buy limit, usually set it below where the stock is trading at. And for me, I mostly care about collecting the premiums. For example, this one was such a good stock to sell a cash secure put on. The stock right now is at $2.90. My strike price is at $2.50, and I was able to get a very generous amount of money up front. This is my money to keep no matter what happens to the option, $40. That is a 16% return in less than 2 weeks. You can't get that from a CD or from a savings account. I should have sold more contracts because this is an easy $40. So let's go to the next one. We have a Certio. So Certio here, even though the stock price is at below 1, that's okay because I was able to collect $25. So next week, what I can do is sell cover calls against the 100 shares that I'm going to have. SENS. While SENS is above my strike price, so this contract will be considered worthless. And same here, I got to keep a $42 premium. So this one is the one that I'm going to have to buy 100 shares of. But if you take a look at my average credits, I was able to receive $110, which makes my break-even price $2.90. So when you collect this premium, it reduces your cost basis. Cover calls, guys, I cannot stress this enough. If you have 100 shares of the underlying stock, it doesn't have to be AMC. It could be any stock that you have 100 shares of, and you can sell cover calls against them and collect a small premium. This stock also considered worthless. I was able to receive $34. Microvision. So for cash secure puts, you do need to put up the collateral. So the collateral is 100 times whatever the strike price that you choose. In this case, it's 11. So it's $1,100 that you would need to put up as a collateral. I did receive a very small premium, but just $50. That's okay because I chose 11 because I wanted to get microvision at $11. Then we have more SENS. This is $2.50. I was able to collect $24. Guys, this is easy money for people that have a very small account. You do not need a lot of money, and you don't need a lot of time for these option plays. JAGX, so close, but not there yet. That's okay, because my break-even price is $190, so I will have to buy 100 shares of JAGX at $2.50. This is a solid company, so I don't mind owning the shares. And like I said, next week I can sell cover calls against them, which reduces my cost basis. And then these will expire next Friday. And then this one is the one that I sold. This is a SENS 3 strike price, guys. I was able to collect a pretty decent premium, $60. Right now it's going at $43 for this contract. So you still have an opportunity to sell this contract. If you guys have Robinhood, this is what you would want to do. Go to trade, view options. April 16th, make sure the sell and put is highlighted. And then all you have to do is click on 3 strike price, put the number of contracts, usually one, put the limit price. This is how much you'll be getting back. Minimum credit $40, and we're gonna hit review. It says here, collateral is $300. You're agreeing to buy 100 shares of SENS at $3 per share on or before April 16. If you aren't asked to buy SENS by then, you'll keep your collateral and the full $40 credits. This is easy money. Why? Because SENS is a solid company. SENS will continue to go up. So this is an option play that you guys can trade. This is another one. But this, I actually bought call options. So right now I am only up $32. I paid $140 for on one contract. So instead of me receiving the premium, I'm actually paying the premium. See guys, that's why sellers, option sellers are better, because you actually receive the premium up front. But before buying any type of securities, whether that is options, stocks, cryptocurrency, please conduct your own research. I'm just here trying to provide some sort of value so that people can make money in the stock market and learn from my mistakes, because I went through this the hard way actually, and I'm still going through it the hard way. And then we have leap calls, another good strategy. If you want to buy 100 shares of a stock but it costs too much, what you can do now is buy leap calls. Leap calls are call options, are longer than 1 year. And then I have regular stocks here. AMC, let's see how that's doing. Okay, it's struggling around the $14 range here. And then we have BlackBerry. That's the one that I'm most down on, but thankfully they're just shares, so I can hold on to these shares as long as possible. So I have been selling cover calls against them to collect a small premium. I was able to receive only $12, but $12, guys, this adds up every single week that you sell cover calls. Why every week? Because they have weekly call options. And that's pretty much it. Just wanted to share how to sell cash secure puts to make extra money. This is great for people with a very small account. It's great for part-time traders. This is great for newbies. Guys, all you have to do is just sell one cash secure put and you will know how powerful it is. It's a game changer, guys. Once you sell one cover call, sell one cash secure puts. And that's all I have for you guys. Let me know if you guys have any of these stocks that you see here in my portfolio. And do consider joining the Patreon page. We already have 40 members and we would love to add more people to our family and just be able to collaborate with each other in order to grow our portfolios. And that's why we're in the stock market, is to build up our portfolios so that we can become financially free. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier, and I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for nwbo if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a nwbo account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you.